Welcome back, folks. This is where the window will be in bedroom 3, where I've got that little poster thing there. Approximately, it's actually going to sit a little bit higher than that. And this is the bedroom that I'd just done the sealant in and was about to frame up. And look, here we go. So there's a bit of framing. Whoa, the focus went out a bit there. I'll bring her back. She's not liking that. Okay. So, framing for the doorway. You can see I've recycled a bit of wood in there. Sorry about the focus, folks. It's not too good. So that'll be the doorway. I've still got to build the frame up for the doorway. I'll put some more joists along there. And then, of course, we need to work on the ceiling. So I've got to get my electrician mate to come around and drop the wires down from that so we can run them through the ceiling on that light. Then I'm going to have to come around here. Oh, I'm going to have to come around here and take one of the wires out of there and then bring it around over to around here somewhere. So there'll be a switch. Actually, it won't be there. It'll be right around here somewhere, because this is where, sorry about that, that's this bit here, so that bit there, that's going to be a built-in wardrobe. So I also have to extend that power thing and run that around the wall and so forth. So there's a little bit of electrician work. The carpentry, yeah, we've just basically need to run a rail along that wall there, so we can run the roof across. So we can put some runners across, whatever you call them, beams or whatever, and then I can put the ceiling up. And so it still needs the ceiling, needs a window, needs the wardrobe built in, and needs the door framed up. But that's just a little bit of progress on bedroom 2 for the day. Thanks for joining, and be well.